The Poverty Trap. Introduction. Welcome to Module 2 of our course on Development Economics. Today we will explore one of the world's most persistent challenges, the poverty trap. Why does poverty continue across generations even when people work hard to improve their lives? Let's discover how limited opportunities can create a cycle that is difficult to escape, and what governments and societies can do to break that cycle. What is poverty? Poverty is more than a lack of income. It also means limited access to quality education, healthcare, nutritious food, safe housing, clean water, and decent employment. When people are deprived of these basic opportunities, their ability to improve their lives becomes severely limited. Poverty around the world. Millions of people around the world continue to experience poverty. While many countries have made remarkable progress, millions of families still struggle to meet their basic needs. Poverty affects both developing and developed nations, although its causes and severity often differ. Reducing poverty remains one of the most important goals of sustainable development. The poverty trap. Now let us understand the poverty trap. Imagine a child born into a poor family. Because family has limited income, the child often receives fewer educational opportunities. Limited education reduces future employment prospects. Poor employment leads to low income. Low income makes it difficult to access healthcare, nutrition, and education for the next generation, and the cycle begins again. Without support, this cycle can continue for decades. Breaking this cycle requires investment in people, not just financial assistance. Rural versus urban. Opportunities are often unequal between rural and urban communities. Many urban areas provide better schools, hospitals, roads, and employment opportunities. In contrast, rural communities frequently face shortages of quality services and infrastructure. Reducing these disparities helps create more equal opportunities for everyone. Why inequality matters? Not everyone begins life with the same opportunities. Some children grow up with excellent schools, healthcare, technology, and family support. Others face significant disadvantages from birth. When opportunities are unequal, poverty becomes more harder to overcome. Development is not only about increasing national income, it is also about creating equal opportunities for every citizen. Solutions. Fortunately, poverty is not inevitable. Governments, communities, and individuals can work together to break the poverty trap. Quality education builds knowledge and skills. Accessible healthcare improves productivity and well being. Decent employment creates sustainable income. Strong social protection supports vulnerable families during difficult times. And honest, transparent governance ensures that public resources benefit everyone fairly. Together, these investments create opportunities that transform human lives. Equal opportunity. Every child deserves a fair chance. Regardless of where they are born, every child should have access to education, healthcare, safety, and hope. When we invest in children today, we build stronger families, stronger communities, and a stronger future for all. Equal opportunity is the foundation of sustainable development. Closing. Poverty is not destiny. Opportunity changes lives. Thank you for watching. If you found this lecture helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons on development economics, public policy, governance, and sustainable development. This is Arif Sardar from AMZ Policy and Development Institute. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.